Okay, your eyes closed?
They are.
Okay.
Oh man, this is so exciting. Is she out here?
Yeah.
Claire!
Yeah!
Oh!
And then you're going to turn
This way?
Okay.
Is she in front of me?
She's behind you.
Oh, Claire, you want me?
Can we touch each other?
Oh, where are you? My hands are back. Where are you?
I had a dream that I can't forget. The world was blurry and your lips were red.
There's an old axiom out there that says opposites attract. But when it comes to Kori and Claire, I don't think that axiom holds. I mean, Claire was the kid who, at 3 years old, she only had 2 speeds, full and off. But along the same time, I'm hearing stories about Kori being equally high energetic. He had a pogo stick that he used so much he used it like a bicycle. But Claire and Kori, they've always been self-assured enough in themselves that they never needed someone else to round them out. Good parenting has a lot to do with that. To Claire and Kori, that they may be blessed with many children just like them.
You've been a part of our family for many years now, but today I'm happy to say it's official. Your love for Claire is true and obvious. There's no better example of this than your visits with my grandparents in King of Prussia. Kori made such a positive impression on my and Pop-Up, and they always knew he was Claire's life partner.
I have known this guy for almost 20 years now, and I couldn't have asked for a better friend. You're more than a friend to me, you're a brother. Seriously. I love you, man, and I'm so incredibly happy for you.
3, 2, 1.
Claire, you know how to make those around you laugh, you know how to be the life of the party, but more importantly, you know how to listen, and you are consistently there for the ones you love.
You have been one of the strongest, most determined, intelligent, and loyal women that I know. All those things plus many more is why you're perfect for Kori and why you are sitting here tonight as the new Mrs. Mishaw.
All right.
Our day is finally here, honey. This is the culmination of so many factors that we've been through. All the time, effort, difficult conversations, you name it. But through the process, we've learned, grown, and fallen more in love with one another each day.
You've played such a huge role in my life, and quite simply, you're home to me. You make literally everyone you cross paths with feel seen and accepted. You got me going again.
After 14 years, I still have that crush, and always will. You are my number one, my soulmate, my best friend. I'm excited to continue down this journey together and build upon this little grumble of ours.
When we graduated from high school, you signed my yearbook on 2 pages, dedicating 1 page to our past and 1 page to our future. The page was blank with an explanation that it symbolized the opportunities were undefined and endless. I'm going to carry on that tradition in my letter to you on our wedding day by leaving the rest of the page blank. I can't wait to spend years and years filling it with words. I love you more than you could ever know, and I cannot wait to call you my husband.
I can't wait to hold you, kiss you, continue loving you, and grow as partners. You're my favorite person, and I love you times infinity. Love, Kori. I, Claire, take you, Kori, to be my husband.
I, Kori, take you, Claire, to be my wife.
I will share my life with you and build our dreams together.
I will support you in times of trouble and rejoice with you in times of happiness.
I promise to challenge you and help you, but also have the patience that true love demands. Sorry.
I promise to give you love, respect, and loyalty.
And support whatever lights up your soul.
To communicate fully and fearlessly.
This commitment is made in love, kept in faith, lived in hope,
and made new
every day of our lives.
So I've had the honor of being around since the beginning, and watching what your love has turned into has been amazing and inspiring. The way that you look at each other is the reason why I know that your love is going to last.
Hold on. Can I have a mic? Hey, Kori is my grandson. I love him to death. But if he ever gives Claire a hard time, I will body slam him, right?
It is my honor and absolute joy to declare you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.